Hi everyone, welcome back to Sans Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. I'm very grateful that you subscribed to my channel. And if you just stopped by, I would be more than happy if you click on the subscribe button and join the family. If my video came as a recommendation from YouTube, I'm very grateful to YouTube. Thank you so much, YouTube, for doing so. Today I'm participating in a challenge called as December Thrifty Crafting Thursday, and this is hosted by That Crafting Lady and Melissa Makes It DIY. And they are amazing creators. If you haven't already been to their channels, I would recommend you to visit their channels, and I leave the links of their channels in my description box as well as the playlist of all the participants. And I hope you'll see all our videos. Today I'm going to do a project on Elf, the movie that I got inspired with. So the things I'm going to use are all from Dollar Tree. So let me start with this sign, Elf sign with Happy Holidays, and this cute solar dancer of Elf. And I have some felt, some pom-poms, some green bells, and these two are the feet of the Christmas tree, and I'm going to use for this project. So yeah, let's get started. So this is the final result of the project, and I chose elf as a theme, and this is the solar dancer. He's elf, and then he dances when sunlight falls on him. And I just decorated him with red satin ribbon around him, and then one bow with green foam ball. I'm sorry, it's a pom-pom. And then one more red pom-pom I stuck on the other side, and some greenery, and stuck one on his belt too, if you can see. So this is our solar elf, and the one that is holding like happy holidays, I just added 2 legs to him, and those are basically the feet of the Christmas tree, and I just stuck red felt around that, and I attached 2 white pom-poms on the feet just to give like a shoes decor. And on the as a hat, I just gave like a red feather with green pom-pom, and one more on the other side red. And I created a small bouquet here with green bell and some foam balls and some leaves. So yeah, these are the 2 decorations I made for this project, and decorated one of the Christmas tree on the other side, the tinsel one. And I created this topper using a few of the golden foam balls, and I scattered a lot of green bells and pom-poms around it. So this is how I'm going to decorate this set of projects. I hope you liked as much as I did, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.